Lance Armstrong admitting to Oprah Winfrey he took performance-enhancing drugs. It's the hot topic today. We were wondering what local cancer survivors think. Is their faith in Livestrong shaken? Our Justin Williams with more details.
Livestrong at the Y has never been about Lance Armstrong. It's always been about cancer survivors.
As Lance Armstrong comes clean about using performance-enhancing drugs,
this program has a heart and soul and life of its own. It's not dependent on any one person or even one organization.
Janet McMahon says the celebrity cyclist and cancer survivor's well-publicized confession is not compromising the efforts of those associated with the YMCA's local Livestrong programs.
You know, it's always good to be aware of what's happening, but truthfully, we don't see an impact.
Livestrong is the charity for cancer survivors which Armstrong founded in 1997 and with which he recently ended his association. McMahon, the vice president for Mission Impact and Healthy Living Strategies for the YMCA of Metropolitan Milwaukee, says her organization became involved with Livestrong in 2009.
Our Y in Metropolitan Milwaukee was the first in the first group of 10 Ys nationally to begin to develop a specialized fitness program for cancer survivors.
Those survivors, she says, count on the 12-week Livestrong at the Y program for physical and emotional well-being, adding that they are not worried about Armstrong's actions affecting them.
The cancer survivors we work with aren't raising those questions, I think because they know what the heart and soul of the program is. So some of this frenzy around one celebrity's mistakes, whatever, that's not what they're concerned about.
Justin Williams, Fox 6 News.
McMahon says the Livestrong at the Y programs don't get any funding from the Livestrong Foundation, but she says they're popular. There's a waiting list.
Parents, it's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are? Live from our Milwaukee studios with stories that matter to